Welcome back to this course on building an online portfolio, and in this video we will start by writing our header section. So first, here I have an image, so let's just create a new folder in our portfolio and give it a name img. It will take all the images that we will use in our portfolio and just copy the sample image in this folder. So let's open our text editor and let's starting writing our header section. So in this division we will write our header section. So first we will start by creating a row. So this can be done by a division, and in the division we will give a class called row. Here you will notice that row is a class which is built in Bootstrap, and it is used to give a full sized row in our web page. And inside one row there are total 12 columns, and we can use any number of columns we want. So let's start by creating different columns inside our row. So our first column will take the size of 4 columns, so give it column md4. This is also a class of Bootstrap which assigns 4 columns to this division. And for the next division we will use the remaining 8 columns, as there are total 12 columns in a single row. So now in our first full columns we will add our personal image. Image can be added by using the tag img, and src will take the source of our file, and alt will take the alternate message if our image is not displayed by slow internet connection or by some other problem. And class will be img responsive. This is also a Bootstrap file which sets the image to be responsive. So in the alternate tag we will write my image, and in the source we will add the source of our image, and the name of the image is a.gif. So if we go to our browser and see how this is looking, so let's refresh this. So here we can see we have added the image on our. So now let's add our name and a simple line to our website. So we will do this by h1 tag, which is used to give the largest heading in HTML, and in this we will use a class called text uppercase. This is also a Bootstrap class which will convert all the characters to uppercase. So here we will start by writing our name. So let's write my name and save this and see how it looks in our browser. So here we can see it is displaying our name. And now let's add a single line, and we will do this by h3 tag, which is also a heading tag in Bootstrap, and let's give full stack developer. So let's see how it looks in the browser. So you can see it is looking like this, Samarth Pabwal, and after this full stack developer. As you can see, here is a lot of space between name and the image, so let's shift this name to the left side. This can be done by assigning only 2 columns to the image and remaining 10 columns to our name. So let's refresh, and you can see it is now close to our image and it is looking nice. If you think it is very close, then you can use 3 columns for our image and 9. You can see it depends on you what you like, but in my case I will use 2 and 8. Save this and preview. So it's looking like this. So we have started with our header section, and in the next video we will style our header section so that it's look more beautiful.